I run a small digital agency. We do WordPress sites, and I had a request from a client that was a very specific customization to the WooCommerce checkout experience. Not something very common, not something that a plugin would handle. It had to do with the specific calculations of subscription payments and automatic renewing payments that would end on a specific date as opposed to a duration of when you purchased your first product. I reached out to a bunch of people. Typically, I don't really hire outside of house because I'm afraid, one, that the job is not going to get done correctly, and two, that the communication issues with a developer that I never worked with before would be too much that I wouldn't be able to get the job done in the manner that I thought was acceptable. Some of the people that I reached out to gave me some mixed reactions of if the job could even be done or not. Some of these things you might be familiar with, like, are these customizations to WooCommerce going to survive plugin updates, WordPress core updates, and nobody was really giving me a straight answer about that. I came across Hamid at Shopify and HTML Pro. We did a Zoom. We talked for about 10 minutes, which I actually really appreciated because most of the developers that I was meeting, there wasn't any really face-to-face contact. And I felt like for this job, I needed it done quickly and I needed it done specific and correctly. And the fact that there was ability to see the developers that you were working with was one, very important to me. Two, their communication and their professionalism was, I think, better than any developer that I've ever outsourced work to. They were incredibly knowledgeable. They were professional. They knew exactly what they're doing. They were easy to communicate with. I personally am very hesitant to recommend companies to other people because, like you do a good job for somebody, you don't do a good job for next. I'll tell you, I was incredibly impressed with the quality of the work that this company was able to provide. I'm a little bit different of a client for them, meaning like I'm not coming to them being like, listen, I need you to build a website and here's the idea. It's like the website's already built and I'm coming to them to do a very specific task that is outside of the scope of myself or the developers that I work with. And I was a little concerned that this specific job was not going to be able to make it to completion because of what my client was requesting. When I talked to Hamid in the initial consultation, I was very confident that they were able to do this. And over the course of the 2 weeks that we were working on this project together, their communication and the quality of the work that they did after I looked at how they did their work, I could not recommend this company more. I think that the biggest fear of a agency hiring outside work is that your client is expecting you to deliver the product in a quality that they know from you. And if you were to outsource this work, would this person that you're hiring be able to deliver the quality and make you look good in front of your clients and stuff? I want to tell you, I would hire Hamid, Shopify, HTML Pro again. I would recommend them to somebody else. There are not enough good things that I can say about my experience on this project with this company. Price, very reasonable. Work, highly professional, highly knowledgeable. If you have any concerns about working with them, I wouldn't, because I had something that needed to be done. I talked to about 15 people, and Hamid being one of them. The other 14, I really didn't have any confidence that they were going to be able to complete the project. I thought they were going to start working on the project and eventually tell me that this is the best that they can do. This company was very professional. They did exactly what they said they were going to do. There was no ambiguity, and there was not enough things that I can say nice about Hamid and his team. And I hope if you're considering hiring them that this testimonial would help you make an easy decision and make your life easier, because they made my life easier. Thank you.